Good day guys, welcome. So in this video I'm giving you the Otter AI tutorial. So basically what this is, basically this service allows you to transcribe your video or audio into the text. I will very briefly and in just a moment show you how this is done in practice. So basically this is used by different people, by businesses, by freelancers, by different companies, by podcasters, etc. So basically how this works and how to actually transcribe, you just start for free, make your new account. It's completely for free, you don't have to attach any kind of bank card or something like that. So let me just show you. So as you can see, I've had this little video transcribed in here already. So pretty much it's pretty simple. I'm just going to upload a video of ours from our channel and it will transcribe it. So go to import and now choose the file from your PC. Alright, as you can see, this is just our video from our channel, 10 megabytes. So just upload it, wait for the transcription. It's actually pretty and fairly quickly to transcribe. So of course, depending on how many words there are, it's going to take a different amount of time. So after it's done, as you can see, it's done transcribing. Go to transcript, and as you can see, this is going to be our transcription. And also something that's very cool is that I've noticed if I go to the different project that I've imported, so if I go to this one, so as you can see, it's actually turning our transcription into different segments, like it's kind of separating them, right? So we have an overview, action items, outline, and the outro part, which is pretty cool, I think. So that's going to happen, I think, with almost every text. It's been depending on, of course, which kind of structure it has. So as you can see, we have our tutorial here. So you just need to wait a bit until it turns into like a separated and segmented text. As you can see, it's just now all in one place. Yeah. So as you can see, this is basically all of the words that I personally said in this video, which is pretty cool. So just wait a bit if you want to, have it segmented the way I showed you. Just wait a bit and you will get it. And also the same thing you can do, of course, with audio. Go to home, import, and as you can see, we have the MP3 files, AAC files available to upload, and you can transcribe them as well. So that's pretty much how to use this. We have the AI chat as well that is used for answering questions. We have search if you want to search for people, channels, folders, etc. Integrations if you want to use them. As you can see, we have integrations with, for example, Slack, Zoom, Google, Microsoft, etc. You can also have direct messages and folders. So guys, enjoy. Very, very cool service. If you want to grab all of the functions, consider getting the premium subscription. You can upgrade, as you can see. And also, friends, if you're looking to get some really cool discounts and promotional prices for the Otter premium plans, as you can see, we have multiple. We actually have the links for you specifically in the video description below, and grab the subscriptions for a reduced price for yourself. Thank you guys. Get the Otter Business, for example, monthly is $30. And in general, enjoy, guys. If you enjoyed the video and if it was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.